it's Gina with WTI. If you're a busy person like I am, but you still want to have beautiful, glowing skin, you're going to love this all-in-one beauty product that I got from Ongaro. So I'm in my mid 40s and I've definitely seen my skin changing, especially in the last 5 years. And I love that the skincare treatment addresses all 7 signs of aging that dermatologists have identified. So since I've been using it on a regular, consistent basis after cleansing my skin, I've noticed that my skin is looking more brilliant. And even though it's still winter, I'm seeing the dry patches that I had before completely disappear. It's really good to use their enzyme exfoliator 2 to 3 times a week to prep your skin to be able to absorb in all of the 14 active ingredients. So these active ingredients are really what's going to make a difference so that you can see improvement in your skin. I especially appreciate that the probiotic extract that they have in this helps to speed up skin renewal. I love that this product is giving me a more youthful look, and it's giving me confidence to feel like I don't have to wear foundation because it is improving the look of my skin. If you're looking for that all-in-one skin treatment that's going to give you the results that you're looking for and really works, you should try this one. And that's my point of view.